Guys, my name is Halilise Jasi, born and bred here. I went to Cape Town to further my studies. I'm a social worker by profession. If umtana is crying, the first thing they need is their mom, or the first person they want is their mom. But then in the real world, it happens that because they only know their father. If you get what I mean. So yeah, it's an unfortunate that they had to go through that, and I mean the consequences should be the woman should be jailed. I mean,
have you had a patient?
that's the right word. It's unfair to judge ubufebe babantu when it's ubufebe mos. Women are allowed to be sexually liberated. Let me tell you something. As long as you practice safe sex, as long as guys are not used to women who are standing on business.
What are you trying to say now about the women?
Guys, my name is Halilise Jasi, born and bred here. I went to Cape Town to further my studies. I'm a social worker by profession. If umtana is crying, the first thing they need is their mom, or the first person they want is their mom. But then in the real world, it happens that because they only know their father. If you get what I mean. So yeah, it's an unfortunate that they had to go through that, and I mean the consequences should be the woman should be jailed. I mean,
have you had a patient?
That's the right word. It's unfair to judge ubufebe babantu when it's ubufebe mos. Women are allowed to be sexually liberated. Let me tell you something. As long as you practice safe sex, as long as guys are not used to women who are standing on business.
What are you trying to say now about the women?
You was cracking YouTube. One host Kangu and
yeah,
you was cracking YouTube. I go by the name J Papa. Ladies can call me the tag. Yo, the boy and that's going to go on, man. And there's a compensation part. It's calm though. Where's Loy? Okay, let us introduce a talk before we get into this. Yeah,
Alright. Igama lami Ndimpiwe, but those who know me, they call me Utandira Lawe. And today I am going to be your co-host.
Well, backwards, because behind the camera, no ghost lead.
Ikse yazi ezibrazil zingikhala kakhulu dog. What the fuck manisela utywala? Umasela utywala.
Singamosha ngaxesha uyabona today we have a new face.
No, dog. I get people calling me ghost lady. What the fuck, dog? And they call me before ghost lady. Because at the beginning, I think it was how many episodes? 4. 4 episodes. Then behind the camera, ndiyenza lento yenza ngupowami ngoku. Bendi sound engineer. Where yonke into yenzeka behind the camera, yabo. So now I took the opportunity to be a co-host next to Lomdulo.
Hi guys, my name is Halilise Jasi. That's all.
What are you?
Who are you? Where are you from? What are you selling?
What are you selling?
Oh, I'm selling myself.
With my sister.
How? Oh,
my sister.
Hello guys, my name is Halilise Jasi, born and bred here. I went to Cape Town to further my studies. I'm a social worker by profession.
Now 10.
I have honors, darling.
Yeah, clock you.
Yeah, what else? I sell hair and I have a salon. So I have a side hustle here where I do installations and
Okay. Like
yeah.
Is it a mobile salon kanye unayendawo specific osebenzela kuyo?
No, I do have indirect specific insebenzela kuyo. It's salon Ikaya at the back. Yeah, but I do offer e-house calls. Yeah.
Okay. Oh yes, you wait or nah. It's normal, but yeah.
Yeah,
Economy Ramaphosa is fucked up. Okay.
Sisafuna uthenga ezinye camera, we still need different
Yeah.
mics. There's a lot that we still need to do. But shout out to the promo though. Nini vile mosisaluni.
Shout out to her though.
Jonge installation yaka siswami njani ngoba. On point. Yabo, bafuna baso, you know where to go. Sunny's hair.
Exactly.
Yazi because khona niggas zingafaki frontal zofuna ukubhalela.
Like guys, now you gain Batenge. This first time for everything. Please come and buy.
This is our number zala.
Abafana. Okay. If you don't tengela, we can talk.
You. Ay.
What's right?
I mean, don't you have a man?
I do, but you know, if you don't tengela,
Support the business.
or support the business. Jokes, guys, jokes.
Better hope. Okay. Size kunto sizele siyayazi mos introduce about social work and stuff. So ngifuna uyazi intoni eyakwenza ube nomtsalane for you to uba uyofunda i-social work okanye yiyo i-course yokuqala yak-accepta kwezi uzi-aplayela
Zenzeka. Mhlawumbe ufuna uba ugqirha.
No. No. Initially, I wanted to be an economist. Yeah, I wanted to be an economist, but I didn't want to bridge. Like, I didn't want to do both. I was not well informed about bridging courses or like doing a diploma first and then you do an advanced diploma equivalent to degree and all of that. Like, I didn't know about that. And my marks, I didn't meet the requirements. The institution made a phone.
Which was?
It was UWC. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Asithudibeke njalo nawe. Asithudibeke njalo nawe. Speak to the mic.
Speak to the mic.
No.
Ngiyaqonda ufuna uyibuza i-ad kule nto axele ngayo okanye mna ngifuna ubuza akekho umuntu specific like ububukela kuyo i-social work elokishini okanye khona lo mama ebethanda unceda abantu qomba nam ndifuna uba ufana naye but ndifuna uba qualified for uyenza laa nto yenzayo.
Funny enough, no, because also remember, social work was not my first option, but I do have a personality for it. Therefore, it has been my day-to-day life. It's just that it made sense. It resonated with my personality for me to do it as a career. Hence, it's easy for me to do it because it's who I am, basically. If I may put it like that. Otherwise, no, there's no one. Also, like when I finished in 2020, I've spoken to one of the social workers. High school. High school. I've spoken to one of the social workers. At that time, she was also still studying. So I was like, it is an option. I made it like a second option.
Okay.
Yeah.
Also, going to varsity, you already had that at the back of your mind.
Yes, I did. And then I got accepted CPUT. I think it was public management. Yeah. But I did not really like it. Yeah. So I didn't do it because I didn't like it. Then I ended up doing social work.
Okay, there's a lot of kids in high school that you said something important. You said you weren't well informed about bridging courses.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm sure there's a kid right now who's listening behind all of this.
Mm-hmm.
How would you say he would go about, or he or she would go about educating themselves about bridging courses?
I think for me, I would say they must do their research. I mean, now the technology is advanced. There's like obviously libraries and all of that. So you just need to do your research. So if there's a course that you want to do, make sure you research more about it and you ask around. So I did not ask around, also because I did not have exposure. So I didn't know anyone who was an economist here and all of that. So I didn't really have much information about it. Yeah, but I just loved economics. That's all. That's the reason why I wanted to do further my studies.
Kodwa naniyifilisha nize ecala.
Do you want me to show you my grade 12 results?
Sound grand way. Mbuzo. Sound grand.
So what about the kids that are not exposed, like when it comes to technology, like poorer backgrounds and shit? What about those ones? Like, who can they ask help from? Well, because it's difficult out here for other kids.
Oh yeah, for sure. Sure, I understand that backgrounds differ. So there's not same exposure, but we have libraries. Library is open to everyone, so people can go to the library and access internet. Down location, then you can research about whatever you want, or you can ask around. My thing is, you don't have to rely on internet, yabo, or technology. There's the only option. You can always ask around. You can ask Utishara Babo. Yeah, they can ask around. They can even ask Putabakoya like around or Sisabakoya around. They can just ask generally, literally, just open your mouth and ask people. Yeah.
You want to say something?
Okay, most ngexesha lam when ndifunda grade 12 that's kudala ngoko.
Yeah.
Around ubonyaka bakho.
2024.
Hayi na.
2024.
Just imagine. Utitshala baka-TikTok. So ngizwa kumakhulu benza grade 12 1980 wagraduate ngo-1985. Uze ndizombuza uba yintoni le ufunda
Economics.
yeah, not economics man. No, ufunda ntoni?
Kind of like I wanted to be an economist.
Yeah, not economics. Ewe ndizombuza uyazi kuzawubani into specific beyifunde kuba ufuna uba ligqwetha uba ligqwetha akanaxesha lezinye ii-courses afuna uzifunda. So senzitsho like kule generation yethu because zii-two generation yeah xa benabatitshala abanjalo abangakho bangena-information eso because ne-library siyiphapela ngoku shana.
How? Really?
Zithini library uboleka incwadi ufunde ezaa zitori. Yeah, ngicela umphendule apho.
I'm not sure about your question. No, wait. wait. No. So you're asking, but what about those who had Otishara Bagumakul?
Yeah.
Not
Let's say
like the Bantu education.
yeah, we're not
educators.
well informed. Not well informed.
Yeah, but now like you're saying, we are evolving and Kukotishara Abakoyo ngoku that they can reach out to now. So about those previous ones, they used to have because I mean in Funda I could get guys,
yeah.
so you can always go to school. They can if they're still interested, they can still go and ask around.
But I think you said something very important. You said this is the new age now. If you really want to know something, you will actually get to know it because you have devices now that connect us to the internet. You have TikTok, you have Boma, Google. You can always go onto the internet and search these things. If unondla uzoyenza nyani le nto ufuna uyenza. And there's something else I also wanted to say. Otishara, I want otishara baphakamise isandla nabo because
Azikwazi ngathi ungabethwa wena. Hayi so act up.
okay, sure. No, listen.
Mameli uthini? Kathethwa nawe uhlale phansi for still awumameli kuthiwa ke.
Okay, like varsity, you're taught psychology. There's psychology and educational psychology. You're supposed to know about umntana nje uzamenza so. Umntana nje uzamenza so. Sinale nto thina wana omnyama le nto ifundile esikolweni afuna uzoyi-apply. Ingqondo izawuqina nga ufuna uzenza umntana.
I'm sure like social work yakwazi uapply. Then you leyo sometimes xa uza practicals ayiyo le uyifunde encwadini. So fana ukuthi
you have to improvise. But in order for you to get experience, you have to expose yourself.
Roberto hili gani?
Yes.
Kana ni
Ikhona into yoba like
because go percentage enhloko uthethe izinto.
ayaxoka. Uyathukiza live, dog.
But it's calm though.
It's calm though. It's calm.
Uzabuza kanye ugqibile
No,
ubuza.
it's fine. It's fine.
Okay. Ndifuna kusele nto sikuyo. So ndifuna ubuza ngasanesh uba zikhona ii-surprises ozifumanayo kulaa nto ubuyifunda encwadini esikolweni nento eyenzekayo like lo msebenzi ukuyo. Like encwadini kuthiwa izokuhamba so but xa ufika kwi-practicals nayi.
Yeah. So, like theories and theorists, number one, their theories, they are like from back in the days, ne? So they tested them on people back in the days, ne? And sometimes you would get like, okay, let's say Eric Erickson says, at this stage, Umdana should be doing this and this and that. And when I see it in person, I'm like, it's different. So human behavior, it's a continuous development.
Okay.
Right? So I have had experiences where I see things, this is how it is. It's for me, this is me personally. A textbook, it's in an ideal world kind of thing. It brings us closer to human being and their day-to-day lives, but it's in an ideal world. Like, how, for an example, if umntana is crying, the first thing they need is their mom, or the first person they want is their mom. But then in the real world, it happens that because they only know their father. If you get what I mean. So it's going back to improvising. Then you have to improvise or substitute basically. So you wouldn't apply a specific theory, like one specific theory, and it works for everyone else. So I do experience things like that, whereby a theory is different from the real world. But I mean, it's still continued. People are still studying people.
Okay, ma'am. Now my question is, I'm sure there's someone also now who's there watching, asking
I'm not
themselves.
an expert. I'm not, guys.
But
I'm
honor,
not.
graduating your honors, how? So
I'm not.
your word is very valid. Yeah, I mean.
Get it? But I'm not a psychologist.
Okay, yeah.
I'm not a psychologist,
My
guys.
question. My question is, what is social work?
Dim guys. No, Dim. This reminds me of like job interviews, and when I was still studying, we were like, what exactly is social work? Guys, I think he has explained social work. You do social work.
Okay, so yazi for mna xa kuthethwa social worker ndibona umntu ohoye abantwana mhlawumbi umntana ukhulekile ethile.
Benziwa abafana bahlukumeza omakhulu babo. Nini bathini xa nifana uthini case?
Okay.
Nivula i-case for abantu amajita akanye amantombazana xuthi ikhadi lomakhulu babo kanye nenzani.
Yeah, for sure. It depends on the situation, but if any form of abuse on any human being for that matter, if it's an elderly person and they have some impairments, like there are things like they're not fully okay, then I can open a case on their behalf. But if they don't want to, I can only advise. If you're 18 and above, I can only advise to say, do you know there's a legal route? Do you know you have this and this option? But I cannot say a case. However, in cases whereby those type of situation, then a social worker and like a social development, they should go and take a card. Okanye la makhadi athanda uhlala ka mama bathengisa utywala. No, we actually go and fetch them, because ikhadi lo mntu alifikanga lihlale komnye umntu unless they are guardians.
Bayageza nabo. wawuzazi uba upeya itukurisam yothatha utywala costa 4,000 or 8.
But see, that's the problem though, because legally you are not supposed to overprice people. Like if an analendo yo boleka imali ngo 50% legal, you can't do that. Like you can take me to court, ne, and say ndikuboleke imali. No, real. 50% is rather it's illegal. It's too much. You can take me to
Okay, listen.
ungaboleka imali
Okay,
ngoku, ungaboleka imali kum ngoku, ne. Nokuba bayazana, ne. Regardless of the fact that it was an agreement, and then you take me to court, and then you are taken to court.
My
The
man,
court, that already is illegal for you. Uthi uchaja
Mali
because
yam.
you need to be no.
imali yam. Ndikuxelele ngozofuna imali uba okay ndisebenza so mna imali yam uba ndimnike i-50 ibuye imali enga wavuma na okay sharp ndisaphe i-IT ngikubamba ngoku uzibhatala.
I'm gonna advise you to research on it because ungabanjwa. Like literally, yes. It's like you can't buy illegal stuff. Ngemali yakho.
Khona
You can't buy drugs.
khona
ngemali yakho.
bandityalayo apha
Guys, sanombhatala.
weza ndizalisanga mna
Oh,
weekend ngole weekend sakuyo
I guys, singaphi kanti kule weekend?
zi-24
Oh, because inkulu. Guys, come.
nakule ilandelayo zinkulu. Okay.
Sayibondiselana nje guys.
Mamela ndimbuzo mna yintoni nazi podcast we have to ask questions unobuza yintoni like abantu okusho abangayi-understanda nge-social workers like yintoni endila nayo on a daily basis, day to day basis.
To take a child. Number two, not all social workers take children. There's different types of social work. For an example, I'm in student support. I'm a social worker, but I'm a campus care worker. I work as a campus care worker. That's my job. Yeah, that's my job now. Yeah, I mean that's my position. And then you get a social worker from Department of Social Development, right? And then they deal with child protection. So they deal with children. And then you get a forensic social worker as a court.
Forensic.
Yes.
Dog.
No.
So bakhona pha xa kuphi isidongo pha ekhaya.
No. Forensic. No, so not for forensic is not only about that. It's not that. It's not forensic pathology. Like a criminal social worker. So you deal with the law, but they call them when you specialize, you become a forensic social
Also
worker.
ngaba ababambisa i-criminal social work.
Yes. Let's say for an example, ukhona umuntu ozoreporta i-crime ye-rape, umzekelo umntana
Wow.
ne, and then you are taken to like a forensic social work. Some abanye they work with the criminal justice, or they work at correctional service.
Okay.
Yeah, so in zonke social workers that ezisebenza under the law, basically under correctional service and SAPS. So yeah.
But no question must be better for later.
But I'm still answering though because there's different types of social work.
You yeah, time.
Okay, it's fine. Next question.
Kunjani man bo? I know, but ukuqaphele wenu here, but there's a lot of female social workers more than males. Ne? Because
Yazi.
personal experience mna andibendiyipele imali kuthiwa yintoni foster care onganabi swabi ndidala ne-social work. So i-social worker yami yasekapa ndihlala ekapa ibingumjita, but no, come to think of it ibinguyedwa umjita kulaa department ye-social worker by kapa, but yenziwa xa ucinga wena yenziwa yintoni loo nto.
Ama-dog thina sikhathale singamajita. We don't have that ola thando lu-passionate. So sibona for ukhathalela abantu. Yeah, that's the word. Fundela ntwana leya.
Funde phi?
Nurturing.
Funde
Yeah.
phi leya? degree honors leya babefunile ngene-honors but so now uyavumelana naye.
Yeah, men are not really nurturing. We don't have that in our nature. Yo, jwala.
I think also, guys, it just depends on people's interest. Males, they are not really interested in such things. Yeah.
I feel like the job is
Ukufila.
I'm always in my
I'm
feelings.
here. Yes, good.
She's here for me.
I think udinga uncedo lo mntu.
No.
Mamela ngizocela something. Sukujuly.
Yeah.
I think lo mshita only 4 days kuJuly angaselanga kuzo. The rest of the days kuJuly.
Icanga nami sudinga.
What is your problem?
Sudinga.
Cela umcancellation.
Okay, him. Clear 4 days. Wena. Yebo.
Eko ngami yena. Yenza ngami.
Okay, no, uyakusan cancellation sis.
Hayi, ebhatala for lona.
Exactly.
Sense of department.
Exactly. So in department.
Who's your boss?
I work for a private thing organization.
Ndifuna ubhatala igrand man wena sisela ngale mali egrand wena. Uzandidiagnose abantu igrand. I'm a business, bro.
No, not.
Come suppose questions balek. Okay.
Set of
Yeah, we have a lot of questions. Hey, social work, relaxa. Paula, social work.
I'm just asking.
Okay. Yeah. Mamela tambi headphones.
No, I was asking if do you guys have a set of questions, and then what? Yeah.
Yeah, we prepared
Okay,
like that.
So how do you set boundaries when the need in communities feels endless? Yeah, set njani. I feel like dinga kakhulu mangoku community bakudingela nezinto ezingabalekanga. How do you set the boundaries kulona?
So with my job, I only deal with students. So like I said, social work it's broad like that. There's different social workers for different things. So I think that question would be perfect for a social worker that works at the Department of Social Development because they deal with community. So I deal with the community, but students. So communities are different, right? So we are a community here now. So yeah. So my community is students. So the boundaries to that regards.
Students and
Oh, you took the question out of my mouth, dog. Like the minute I even call you.
how do you set the boundaries?
They do, guys. Even when I used to do my practicals at Crotus, even patients, because I used to deal with patients. They do.
No, what if ubona lo mntu uzamkhupha ki-depression? Like think about it, like bakhona abantu abazokhupha ki-depression uqonda uba ndifumane lo hayi iphela i-depression.
Depression ngamatyala ngako nawo. Usancwasa lunga uya amatyala.
The same way nani xa ni-push ispan before nijola ninamali mos nijilo. That's what you guys said. How? But who? Okay. All right. Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay. Most kwezi communities phila kuzo kukho abantu base sivumelene a-wave baso good kasethu thengele ice-trooper.
That's a very good question.
Yabo.
Already
Grand ndikufuna 6 pack ezingaphi. Yeah, ice-trooper imali 500 and something a-wave. Sharp ndikuthengela 3 sabala 1 point something 5 ukunyuka. Skills. Okay, sharp. Bambe sivumelana sigoduke grand sifike endlini. Kwenzeka ekuseni. Into abafunini mina khanda ukuxelela ngalo live lokuxela uba ndiyathengisa yabo. Ndifuna 2k ngoku anayo 2k ndiziphangelela phi ku-EPWP ndixela 2k ndizifumana funi ibiyipay yam ndizolo sharp grand. Mamela listen sharp aku-grand kundibambise ihambe icase ixoxe found out umntu uxokile mos intombazana uba ndimreyphile ihambe icase athi man no bendixoka akandirephanga bendifuna want to know kangamene why do yintoni ifane yenzeke kwintombazana cause azinomyeka nje yintoni efile uba mayenzeke kwintombazana nena like uxokile mos e-community soloko uzobonakala ngalaa mntu uyirape
and then ndifuna uphendule on behalf of umjida and ndifuna uphendule on behalf of i-social worker as a social worker.
Guys, I'm just a girl now. I'm not a social worker, guys. It's after work. Lala, guys, it's fine. And also, it's wrong and so on so many levels. In the Yoruba, you would not say, you would not be honest from the onset. I think it's only fair that from the onset we both state our intentions with each other and what you want from this and what I want from this. So if now you manipulate this, because I feel for me it's like you manipulating the situation now. But we know that we have a lot of it's a crisis. Sexual assault, gender-based violence, it's a crisis in South Africa. Can't run away from that. But
No, he's not speaking to you.
So what was I saying? Oh, okay. So with regards to that, I think it's wrong. I can't even defend it. It's wrong, and I could be wrong. I haven't been following up on that, but I know that they're implementing a law whereby people who do that they should face they should be jailed or they should have they should face consequences. Rightfully so, because why would you then do something of that nature? But also you can open a case for defamation of character.
Better be fine now, man. Fine, for 6 months.
Even in 16 years. Oh, great.
Something, sometimes it happens. I do. There's a network thingy that I used to watch on YouTube. Abantu, people, victims of what you guys are saying. Victims of what you guys are saying, they've been wrongfully accused of rape, and then they stay for 24 years, 25 years.
Wow.
So it's an unfortunate that they had to go through that, and I mean the consequences should be the woman should be jailed. I mean,
have you had a patient? Do you call them patients? Customers,
clients. They're my clients.
Okay, have you had clients that have come to you with that kind of situation?
No. To be quite honest, no. First, I have never, in my work practice since I was a student, because remember in social work you need to do practicals for the 4 years. So I have never had that experience. I've been lying.
Okay. So, do you think the law favors women initially? Do you think the law favors women initially more than men?
Be honest. Be honest. I can see that cynical smile.
I'm trying to be very, very careful. I'm trying to be very careful with the answer, guys, because statistics. No, not even. Oh yeah, I'm not thinking about that. Stats, they do show that women are victims. Statistics, real statistics. Ne? Studied statistics. So I can't now say that the law favors, because women are victims. They are. I mean, reportedly, when I understand that males could be more, but it's just that they don't report, because men do not report. You wouldn't. Okay, not you wouldn't, but less men would report that they've been physically abused or sexually assaulted by a woman than
man.
by another man or by another woman. Do you get what I mean? So but to answer your question, it's a very tricky question. I think it favors them more. It favors us more now because of the crisis, because it's rising. I'm sure you guys watch news. It is
The concern.
you guys are
But
ignorant.
okay, you know what? You just
You are-
made
for
me.
people who have podcasts, you are ignorant if you
Okay, no, listen. There's many aspects to this. There's the violent crimes, and then there's the divorces. I don't know if you're well aware of. No, I mean, if when I was in community or property,
Exactly.
then that's your thing. If it was sign on my paper, that's your thing. If you want to
You
go,
decide.
Yes, we
Exactly. Guys, you guys need to be logically in love, please.
how can you be logically in love?
No, when you are in love as a human being, you are a human being before you love. Do you get what I mean? So you need to think. You can't. Guys, you can't base your whole life. No. What's love? You can't base your whole life loving someone when you are in love. I don't know. I've never experienced being dangerously in love like Beyonce would say.
What's dangerously in love?
You know the logic. Like you can't think outside of the fact that I have this person that I love. That even the decisions that you make, they are they are so informed by this person, or they're influenced by the person you love. Like I understand that sometimes it could be like maybe to people it's a logical agreement to be married in community of property, like we're talking now.
It's not a good idea.
You see, it depends, guys. Okay.
Nowadays, there's a lot of slave queens, so you have to baba family kanye because the common lakho.
Okay, that's you.
Just to be safe.
Yeah.
You must be in love, but
But does that let me ask, does that not make it conditional love?
No. Protecting the work, your hard-earned money, and protecting yourself and your finances, you need to have conditions. It goes to boundaries.
What? We are protector, we protector from the known. Yes. So in your mind, you're sure that at some point when you lose and she.
Guys, in whatever that you guys do, you know there's pros and cons. You are drinking alcohol. You are drinking alcohol. Yeah. Chances are depending on the level of consumption, obviously. Also, massive headache, and you might not even be able to do your daily tasks. Okay. Those are the possibilities, basically. Okay. I'm not saying it's going to happen. It depends on your alcohol intake. So even when you are in love, there are possibilities that this person might leave, guys. So you know.
Hey, stop crazy. Yeah. Okay. Get off your knees. Dust your knees, nigga. You might as well make it slap.
The cat. The cat are run down. What's your take on? Most say of Remo Windows too much serious. Live. What's your take on what's your take on hoism? Sibiza njalo thina.
How is it?
Twainoni character development. Vumela nayo lona bufebe heavy zizithembu zomfazi. Yeah,
being with multiple partners.
Yeah, try character development leyo uyayivumela wena ungusanesho, uyayivuma nayo lonto kanye we have a different take on that.
The reason why we asking this question is I have had a couple of conversations, and we've had a couple of conversations. We've had multiple nights where we host game nights, after parties, and we keep on asking this question.
After party.
we asked this question like, umfebe, vele ngi-right.
Character development yana.
Kuthiwa hayi, masilungisa, yabo umfebe, kuthiwa i-character development, ibalulekile loo nto.
Okay.
You agree with that?
I think all the experiences, all experiences that you go through in life are character development. First of all, I know we are specific to this one. Yes, whatever you go through, it's gonna build you. You're gonna learn a lesson. Whatever that you do, whatever, even there's something that you like, in future you're gonna realize that maybe I shouldn't consume this and this and that and that. No, I'm first
So you're putting yourself
generalizing.
up with dicks.
No, I'm saying, listen, guys, I need
Okay,
you. I need you guys to listen to me. Ne? It was just a general statement. It was an opening statement, basically. Yeah, we're gonna narrow it down to what you guys are saying. Guys, please.
What was your first premise? Continue.
Ubufebe and sleeping around. Personally, people do whatever they want to do, but not personally. I wouldn't classify it as, I don't know, I wouldn't glamorize it as character development. However, I did say most. All the experiences and everything that we do, they shape our character and we develop, we learn from them. Ne? But specifically on this one, personally, they do learn things, guys. Ne? But I personally wouldn't do it. Like, personally, I wouldn't do it. But what's wrong? What's wrong? Okay.
No, ufuna limitations zomzimba wakhe qala.
You're exploring.
Can take this size.
You explore yourself sexually. Yes. Yes. What do men learn from sleeping around?
Wait. I was waiting for the question. Wait.
Cima lo phone. Mamela.
Kubani qala ufuna?
Saxesha lohamba. Cime. Nimbiwe sesebenza. Cima lo phone dog. You understand? Ucima ifoni, decline, cima ifoni.
Nje kulapha ivolume.
Yeah, iyaring. Oh. Eh? Hayi, sesebenza ngo-TNT.
Sesebenza la.
Mamela ke, sabuza. Utsiki singambona ukatshati. Hayi, asikavanto. Amandwendwe uyavulelwa.
Ubumsesana, sibona umsesane phathina.
Sebufebeni. Mela. Awulencela uba ikwi difference between umjita ofebayo and ofebayo.
This is very interesting. I want to see
Bruh. You uletha a multiple ngathi isizulu. Ufaka a multiple DNAs in your body. Ambulala ngamabhadi amangaphi la. Abanye must be realistic. Abantu bayathwala phandle lapha. Abantu banezibhorho, abantu banemamlamba. Yalala ambulala ubona ungaqashwa ucinga uba okay maybe analike but like nguwe.
Before you finish, does this apply to only females? Are you applying this to females? Or it's general?
Lindi apho ukhoyo. Ndiseza kuwe.
I think it applies. No, I think it applies to women mostly now.
Cause it DNA yam.
So you guys are speaking. When I answer you guys for the women, and you guys are speaking for the male.
Yeah.
So now, when you're asking about the buffet, you ambulala, is it on females? Both genders. Okay.
It DNAs. Let's make an example ngale class. Umjita lo. Bambi. Ma wait. Ngundimpiwe namnika. Sela boy. Ima yayisela umjita lo. ndiyithatha itshiri le ndifake isandla sam apha undimphi uzoyisela le nto
Yo,
ufaka
I don't
isandla
understand
sakho
the analysis.
wena ufaka isandla sakho owam ufaka isandla sakhe ufaka isandla sakhe uzoyisela na le nto
Because he drink le. This is not a vagina.
yivagina leyo yivagina leyo
Guys, you know what?
theory ayo-theory senza apha i-practicals ngoku
You know what? Safe sex.
ikhondom
Wait, wait. No,
never know
and
why your
and
person
now
is practicing.
we're speaking of like not. I don't want to say the ideal world, but we're speaking on the basis of ubuhule.
Yeah.
I am saying, people, women. Okay,
Kubuhule.
women, ne guys, mna. Morally, we are not the same. Morally, we certain this is part ngendlela ezingafaniyo, fortunately, ne? Yes, and we have like the next person might not even believe on soul ties and everything, and there's nothing wrong. They might not be even religious. So if you're gonna come with the argument of, oh no, you're gonna take a spirit alone, abantu bayathwala. What if I don't believe in all of that? And there's people who take sex as sex. It's just a random thing. It's just a part of, it's a feature in their body that women people should explore. Ne-
unobubele ngesipaji sakhe
to some people,
unobubele
and then people do it for different purposes. We did say ekuqaleni bana we have different backgrounds. Ne? And we also come from different backgrounds in terms of ukhula on its own. Ne? So people would do it for different reasons.
Yeah.
Ne? So it's unfair to judge women on being sexually liberated. That's the right word. It's unfair to judge ubufebe babantu when it's ubufebe mos. Women are allowed to be sexually liberated. Let me tell you something. As long as you practice safe sex, as long as you condomize, as long as usiye clinic uhambe uyozitesta, as long as uthatha i-PrEP okanye uthatha i-PrEP, as long as there's this new injection HIV, as long as you do that, women should explore themselves. If I sleep with you today and I feel like you do not satisfy me on a certain level, and then I decide to sleep with you tomorrow, I'm not wrong as long as it's safe. Yes, guys, you thought just because I was a social worker, not a woman, I am.
You can't preach something you don't practice.
Oh, yes, I can. Oh, yes, I can.
Why? Add on that. Can I to add on to that? Chat. I wanna ask this to the ingredient family. Do you guys believe that a person who is not sexually liberated, a person that is not sexually liberated, can they say that Fab is not character development or is character development? Okay, basically, I'm gonna simplify it. Umuntu ongesosisifebe. Exactly.
Angachaza.
Anothi ndinge-social worker ndikuxela uba
I-social worker yenza ntoni? You will never.
Guys, I am a social worker. Ne?
social worker ecaleni ngoku.
No.
Let her talk.
Guys, when
Okay,
someone
okay.
speaks, you need to allow them.
Okay, so
I'm saying, let me say, okay, I'm gonna say I'm a social worker. Okay, I am a social worker, ne? But I wanted to study economist, ne? Being an economist. Ne? Okay. Obviously, now I have researched more on that, ne? And it's gonna go back to the sexual conversation that we're having now. And then we go back, I do have a vast information about economic to such about being an economic to such an extent that I can even give people the information on how to be one and what do economists do and all of that. But I am not one. But I do have the information. It can.
She's cooking us this one.
No. Okay.
But I can't.
Okay.
You guys can't practice social work because you are not social workers. But you would have information on social work.
But I understand them. Let's say you have no power. But you wanna pick up information come up paramus.
Oh, I get.
Oh yes.
Nah.
So wait. Save footage. The camera in auto save.
So buphara
Para
zabo
ulilo.
Lutwala mhlawumbe ungathi lutwala uyabona
Lutwala neteka ayibuhlukanga.
Jonga ke
Yakula.
mna ngihleli namaphara kakhulu
Ulilo.
ndibonile into yobuphara uba iphara lenza so naso
Yima.
yena ebephi ekamireni ngoku itshomakhe bimba ibisenza so naso
Yima.
uvile khange itshomakhe uba Tommy xa
Yima
kwenza so
uyimpiwe ubuphathisa ngami ngobuphi. Bufebo kanye buphara bophara. Okay, sharp.
Yeah, they're just making examples, but they're going back to Buffet.
Like I said, when it comes to crack, ndibonile ba i-crack itshala yenza njani xa kutheni ndondondondondondon. Yena when itomi yakhe was fabbing, ngoku itomi yakhe ibilele noSithembiso yayoyikisa utamthura wadithayi kodwa itombile. Ubuphi wena? You did not see the ubali. I saw it. Okay, lo mntu uhleli ngoku we all normal uyathetha kahle and then after he hit hyperactive lo mntu akakwazi understand.
No, but that's a baseless argument. You no. So are you telling me you guys are speaking of Ubufebe and Indlela Mantombazana nina nebakhona ezirumini for you guys to know
No,
that
uyangixelela
to
ugqiba kwam
qualify?
uyangixelela ugqiba kwam ndiyipractice ndibuye ndimxelele uba boy laa nto undixelele yona
Si-3 apha akhe ngambali akabona si-3 uzange uyityityiwe ake wayityityiwe mos ikabawo okay boy wake wayityityiwe boy ne good now ke so asuthina into singazaziyo. How can we talking about information?
Took me time. I'm very slow. It took me time for you guys to actually get what you guys are trying to ask. Are you guys trying to ask me if I'm practicing the same thing? No, guys, ask. I need. You guys said you have a set of questions. Ask. Be direct with me. I am very open-minded.
Something you don't practice.
You did say
Unfortunately, I do not sleep around. I have never been
So
a person who has been sleeping around.
Ibalulekile office. It's okay, chapa. At some point it has to.
Guys, there are just some things that you just want to do them for experience, and there are just some things that you don't want to do.
you're beating around the bush.
It was not. No, I'm not putting.
Ibalulekile nayo office ebomini bentombazana. Kanye hayi.
Ayibalulekanga.
Why?
You decide.
It's okay, chapa at some point.
Ingeno zokhetha apho ubalulekile njengoba sisifebe.
Uzonyameza indoda ekufebelayo. Uzonyameza indoda ekufebelayo.
Have you ever had
Guys, do you know that there's an option to leave? Do you guys actually know that there's an option to leave, to actually leave the relationship?
Okay, can I?
Jordan for 20 years. I'm not decided one night, but found out Jordan for 20 years of found out on the scene. Don't tell bang ulesihlanu uyamyeka lo mshini.
But I'm saying guys are not used to women who are standing on business.
What are you trying to say now about the women?
Based on no, it's not about the women that you are into, ne?
Yeah.
Based on what you guys are telling me, it won't be. Yeah, because of your feelings, you can't. It depends on 20 years. Are we married? Do we have kids? And did I pour myself all in this relationship, including financially? Maybe if it's marriage. If I've been with someone for 20 years, it can't be that easy to leave. If I find out 20th years.
2 years.
I'm not sure for as long as I am not personally, as long as I am not married, we don't have a child. Even if we do, if you cheat on me, it means you are compromising my health. Yeah, you are compromising my health.
Why?
And I'm not like. Also, I've spoken about the safe sex, so I wouldn't know if they practice safe sex or not. But it's also a loyalty thing.
But then, to be realistic, would we really have the kind of stats that we have on STIs and STDs
and HIV? If flu, guys, flu. Fuck that shit, nigga.
From 8 o'clock to 5 o'clock. Ikhaya lezempilo livuliwe kuthiwa yiphanda ulwazi
Buza bani nona sethe ngemini one ngoya
KE1 clinic.
No, we always taste.
yeah
Say fever.
Ugqibele nini
awunayo fever
Ulale taxi.
this weekend lale taxi for 24 hours
24 hours. Bro,
It's a day.
2 days.
oh today from 12 until 11 a.m.
It's like a few hours.
That's like 12 hours. 12 hours.
Ngigodola ngingenangubo nothing, that's why ndinefear.
Uyayichaza.
Okay, on to the next question because now off ramp and you're busy fair. Can I-
You guys are bashing women, guys.
Yeah, it's cancellation.
Don't be
As long as it's safe sex.
don't be a pick me. Don't be a pick me. Don't be a pick me.
Let's bring a pic-
Don't be a pick me.
Wait.
Okay, sharp.
It's over foot. Okay, can I have a take on HPV on men, not women, men?
You are very general. What about GBV on men?
Do you feel like when it comes to amadoda, we turn into a blind eye?
It's not taken serious.
I could see that.
We as women, we advocate for ourselves.
Probably we are better.
But I don't believe in it. Son, if you're bad.
Hi guys, I am a social worker. I would like to answer this question. Guys, how many people come up with rape cases and they feel like they wait?
Relax.
You need to relax.
Composure, lad.
How many people come up with rape cases and they come up and they are still not being believed? People do not believe that they are actually being raped because of maybe lack of evidence or the status of the person that they say raped them and all of that.
Okay.
So it's not about who believes you. It's about, is it like, is it true? And you have to prove it obviously in the court of law. So when we as women, we advocate we fight for our own. We even have purple stickers and purple profile pictures. The purple gang. They call it the purple gang. Do you push it though?
Yes.
It's like being like a content creation. Do you push your content or not? If you're gonna say, but I feel like Sanelisiwe content is being pushed, recognize but but do you guys push your content? So that's the same thing with gender-based violence. WhatsApp.
These are questions.
Tongo owami
Owami.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, it's me.
Oh.
I sent him the question.
One is Tata.
You find out also.
Ngabaya give. No women like to write.
You detectives.
No, they like to write.
Sanesh, I wanted to ask about be proof when it comes to like rape and things like that. When it comes to women, things are extracted. You understand? So, how do you see Ogba as a man? You got raped, and how do you take DNA and you see the proof Ogba I was forcefully made into having intercourse? You understand?
Because of I am not into. I don't think I can fully answer on that because it's not my.
But you said when Ogba, you go up front and you'll testify. Men testify, but do you really think the law, like, and science is on our side when it comes to men? When we, even the people that are working there, understand? The people that are working there, utamito was a cast. Awucinga utamito xa ndiyofika ndiripoti phaa uba akazundihleka.
That's exactly what I was talking about. We do advocate.
Yeah, you do advocate?
We do advocate for each other as women. Sometimes not all women do though, because sometimes you would get to a police station and say, and then police will let you on the go because Undimpiwe, and maybe they know him from a different angle, right?
Sesibeka nje.
Hey, can't understand.
Nginganduka ngesilungu. Ispying into ngesilungu. Hypotheti lowo.
It's a pity. Yeah? It's a pity, and I am so sorry to guys shame, but it's definitely not a woman's fault. Also, ne? It's a pity that men, you guys, okay, most of the time you would encounter men when people go and report these cases, they would encounter men who laugh at them and belittle them. So it's the same kind. It's you guys, you don't advocate for each other. Ne? And I understand. Do you see how much women fight for certain rights to be implemented by the government? We even go to union buildings. We have a history of fighting for ourselves and the things that we want. So it's a matter of you guys taking a stand on the things that you want as guys to be implemented by the law, for you guys to be protected as well. The same way we do.
Can I ask?
So it's a matter of advocating for you guys, for yourselves guys, as males.
Do you believe that Amachitango are soft?
Join their class.
Yeah. Yes, we are soft. Those are 8. And those are 8. Nah, I'm gonna cut that part. I can't get cancelled. Never. That's that. Nah. In the podcast, everyone in there's yes no recap. Yes, Kimbali. Sipen Khati. You car. Z2 Tanzania. Okay.
I don't think i-Cosback ne-Diarra izawuvuma cancellation thina. Never.
Simela i-Cosback, Diarra, i-Richmond, Nopoti, Hanover, zonke dog. Everywhere we are from.
Aboniselela nina, but this is for you guys.
Yeah. Indoni Nova Spawn. Okay, I'm the way to graduate. So those will be challenges of face after graduating. So we know we are doing it all nalo. Black decks. Awufuni bapha. Mifuni base vets. Yo cancellation.
Yeah.
Okay, since you graduate, so what are the challenges that you are facing? You facing on the percentages my body is boarding is percentaging
Yeah, what are the challenges you
Yeah.
have faced after
as a
graduation? Yeah.
Guys, I'm trying to think of challenges besides employment. It's employment, guys. I'm not where I wanna be. This is not the light. This is not the no, not entire. Okay, there social work. You get to deal with people's problems, and if you're not resilient enough, you're most probably gonna be depressed. So
Okay. Sorry for the
so pendula njani kanjani
So
kanje.
no. Sorry for the better me. Please keep your trail of thought. Now. Don't give me in a bike like that. Okay. No. Okay. Yeah. How does a person who's in your profession deal with that kind of depression and that kind of work stress?
I mean, we are trained, ne? We are trained, but you know yourself. You know when you feel like it's enough for my mental health, ne? You know when you feel like now I've had enough. So at work there should be like team buildings. There should be workshops for social workers to help them also to de-stress and all of that. And as a social worker, if you feel like you are overly burdened. We call it a burnout in social work. So if you feel like you're burnout, you can either take a leave or you can get into counseling. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Like, and also we have supervisors, so you would have debriefing session. And some say it's trauma dumping.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's very healthy.
Yeah.
It is. But also, and so as in the course of 4 years, you get to learn to be more resilient and
Character.
like your you attend the character development.
But it is.
It is. The character development yeah, but like Jebu Funda for 4 years, you get to be more resilient and you get to understand what is the limits that you as an individual can take on a personal level and on a professional level, because you need to be honest with yourself that okay, this is how much I can handle, this is how much I can take, so that it doesn't lead to the burnout. But eventually, obviously, you will work and work and work, and then you feel like, oh, this is and they are weighing on me. You will debrief them, you will take a break, you would go for counseling as well. Yeah, healers need healers.
What of the boy?
Yo, sorry for the technical glitch, but I'm sure by Bona about the city by Bona. And the booze again. So you recently graduated and it. So what is the actual reality after graduating? And what are the actual challenges that you faced as you suddenly see with cash? Yes.
Challenges, no, not many. I got a job before I graduated. Before like I went for my graduation.
Is it a Kiki connection?
No, I don't know anyone from that. It's a private company, and I hear Lapitiare. So I didn't know anyone. I applied.
So Joan.
I applied. I saw it online. It was advertised, and then I applied. Then I got the job. How? So I didn't really face. It's just that I'm not getting the job that I want. I'm not where I want to be now.
Job that she wants. She's here. She's looking for a job. Come on, hear her heart, hear her mind. I know that you are listening.
You know,
whoever you are.
Socializer, I'm a bunch.
Yeah. You can continue.
Yeah, nothing. And Lomto of
Yes. Okay, so we were speaking about
challenges.
the life after graduation, because I'm sure after the ceremony, né, or during the ceremony, you had a certain level of expectation of what life was gonna be after the ceremony. There's a person who's not like you, who was not fortunate enough to get a job while esa funda. So what advice would you give that person?
Revamp your CV. You must revamp your CV. I think that's what I did. I just revamped my CV. There's an app that my sister introduced me to. I just forgot it. Now I can't think on top of my head.
But like a comment section.
Yeah, it's an app. Yeah, it's an app. A revive CV. It makes it more professional. Yeah, and I don't know. Not because I'm a Christian, I would say pray, but you wouldn't know the next person if they're Christians or not. And believe. I don't use ChatGPT. I did not use ChatGPT for.
Okay, when you don't believe in those twala and stuff and whatever.
You were not listening. I said some people might not.
So when I can abuse, and do you believe in them?
That they exist, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, they do exist.
Thank you for being open-minded.
Sure.
The following question.
Oh.
Because she did answer. She didn't answer a question.
Yeah, so there's really nothing much I faced. I can't lie.
Okay.
It's just the job that I
Ngopha evarsity commerce wasn't it difficult when it comes to finances. I'm sure Amachita who I have established careers and stuff, big approach. Yeah. So how do you face those situations? Is the question of Alale? Yeah. So how did you deal with Amachita as a blesser? About phone bar, finance.
Okay, let's say for you it wasn't that tempting. Let's say for you it wasn't that tempting. Right. There's a person out there. Oshaye poverty udlula. Waya ngemark zakhe university. Mhlawumbe nglamdlu wakhe, kingingqi yakhe, beclever, wapasa kahle. Waya varsity. Udibana kwakhe nabanye varsity. Let's say ihlala pha no my sister. The ass is on point. My bag is on point. Everything that a man could want is on point. Kulomnana, ingqondo is on point. But then, one thing that she can't do, since she hasn't had la plethora of options, ubethwa ngamajita amaninzi, kidivriphale, right and center. How could she gauge the options zakhe lo mna? She and he.
There's two questions now. I'm not sure which one to answer.
Yeah.
So to let me repeat my question. Like I'm sure when we ever sit, how much it as a player, we have money, how many careers established. We've been there for some years. How often finance and some way back till cross up, but a little rent, I will take you out on road trips, vacations and stuff. So how do you deal in the situations as a general or focus about izifundo zakho?
I'm a very focused person. I know what I want and I always go for what I want. That's number one. So even when I was studying, I always knew what I wanted and I always knew what I don't want. Ne? So with regards to that, number one, I've never had financial problems. Like I've never been at a point whereby I don't have anything. Yes, sometimes I wouldn't because it might be so then I don't have that much money. But I've never been in a tight corner. Yeah, well, whereby maybe I would need. So, and I've also had a bursary, so I did not have any financial constraints because also I have my dad and then siblings and all of that. Yeah, well, so I never had like financial constraints.
Present fathers.
For sure, Falco, for sure.
W for the father. Shout out to my friends. My friends know themselves. Present fathers.
It's his job.
I go.
Yes. Yeah.
It's not his job.
I know
It's
his
what he
job.
loves to do. He has children. He knows what he has to do.
I'm saying
Okay.
like
Okay, for sure. So yeah, I never needed any
Financial.
financial assistance. I've never had financial constraints. So handling blessers, I've had people obviously who are blessers who would come to me and want to find, spoil me and take care of me.
Can I ask you to
But I've
dive
never
deep in
had.
that?
What's the like? I would go in a club, obviously, and then you would get like someone wanting to.
Let's say Chomako, eti, do you have friends?
Yeah.
Okay, Chomako, ansiwe.
who's unseen?
Who's ansiwe? Let's leave it. Ansiwe, uthi. Chomi no man. Umgqibela baphande. Okubufunda iveki yonke. Masiphume man. Masiye drama. Masiye rants. Xa sifike rants.
Memories.
Yeah, not a rent. Drama, for sure.
Like a drama or a rants. Xa nifike rants or a drama. Kukho le timer. Ifike ithini kuwe. It doesn't even need to be time.
So like it depends. So I've had like encounters whereby okay, first of all a disclaimer. I never anywhere I don't go out if I don't have money. I don't go to any place if I don't have money. If I don't have money for myself, I don't. But I've like on several occasions where I would go in a club or go out even in like a restaurant or something and I wouldn't pay because it would be paid by whoever. Yeah. So yeah, it depends. I mean, we would go and then you would maybe get like experience that I have had amongst many others. You go into a club. I went to this club in Cape Town, Longstreet, Ichiban, and then we were in like a general section.
Free promotion. Ichiban, Spatal.
No, it's a free promotion. Yeah, and then we were told by waitress, okay, you guys need to come to this section. And we were like, no, like we're fine. They were like, no, please come. It's already paid for, kind of thing. Okay. So we then went to this section, and then we had, so we went to the section, and then it was paid for, if I may put it like that. Like obviously you would get like bottles. You get like bottles and stuff, and then eventually Umpana was Veza.
Azul.
No. No.
One holy.
You guys. Yeah.
Which one?
Yeah, like
which one?
Most you know.
Kill bottles at 20,000. Kill bottles at 20,000.
It's not bad. It's not. It just depends on who you are.
It's a guy.
I don't know. We didn't pay the bill. I don't know. We didn't pay the bill, guys. I'm being honest. Yeah, and then wafuna number Instagram handle.
Is the handle?
Yeah. And then the maker, and then from there we started talking. He was not my type, and then it didn't end well because also, guys, don't make your money the center of your life.
Afghan.
Is he African?
No, he's actually African. I still have him on my Instagram. He's not. He's Xhosa.
Don't say his name. Just don't say his name. You can show us.
He's on my follow. Oba.
Get us to 400 subscribers. Sizalbeki kamera.
Nungqhathanisa nabantu. Hey guys, hey.
Amantombazana.
No, guys, it's not that deep. Is he? I am in a relationship. I am married.
You're what?
I'm married.
Kwishinovala leya. Kusesivele nonanzike.
I can't, man. I just. Hayi and
Uskawa man, man, uskawa.
I gave him anti-muboni. And I forgot his, but he's not. He's actually Xhosa.
You don't remember his name?
He's actually Xhosa. I don't.
So when was the last time
When was the last time I watched?
we spoke to him?
Yo. That was a long time ago. Hey, it's good to remember.
6.
That was like a long time ago. Like early 2020. He still reaches out, but I blocked him obviously on WhatsApp. He still tries to reach out on Instagram.
Why did you block him?
Because I don't want him.
Was it your first year, second year?
I was in my third year.
That is like 20. When did you enter university?
2022, 2023, 2024. Yeah, it was 2024 when I did my third year.
That's fucking recent.
That is recent. Yeah, I mean, guys, men approach women.
Shout out to men that approach women.
But also, the encounters I've had with men with money.
Shout out to the main niggas, man.
The encounters I've had with men with money, like money.
I was a Lamborghini boy.
They are very money centered. Like they make their money their personality, which makes you awful as a guy. Like you wouldn't want to make your, like, who are you outside of you having money?
I'm Pablo.
Yeah, bro.
So
And also we are
the
different.
type of woman that Sanesh looks for the personality more than the objects. And
Don't get me wrong. Tsalubena imali.
Oh, yabona.
Iba nayo imali. Iba nayo guy.
Sanesh. No, Mamela.
I do have my own money.
Mamela.
So what double standards?
Mamela. What about? No, listen. What about me? I don't have money. I do not have money.
Work on having money.
I have love to give, so what do I do with this love?
Yes. Well, guys.
So should I push character development? Yeah?
Guys.
What do you mean when you gotta have money?
Guys, I'm
What do
not.
you mean?
Can I please speak on that? Like just a little bit on that.
Okay, yeah.
When you say there are people who are looking up to me, I did not ask them to look up to me. And I am not gonna hide who I am on the basis of these people who are looking up to me. They can choose to walk out and not look up to me anymore. Because it doesn't how did I force them to look up to me though?
No, you did not, and you did not ask for it. But then the way that you carry yourself, and you put yourself on these public platforms.
Focus.
The moment that you put yourself on a public platform, you should know that you are a public figure.
I am not.
No. That's your opinion. But the reality of the situation is, look at what happens now. If you're on TikTok,
Guys,
you put content.
open-ended question. Why are we still talking? I'm gonna sue that man. Then the comment.
No.
No,
You have to end it.
hey, bro, he's cutting a conversation.
Bad host.
I will.
Yes, say it out loud.
Okay. Just the last engagement. This last engagement.
Make it short.
This is why I said to her, We need to have episode 2. And then make as many episode 2, guys. Episode 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 10.
I don't have much to talk about. My life is not that interesting.
We'll make it interesting. We will make it very interesting. Don't worry about that.
Okay. I see value, guys. We'll continue with another episode.
Okay, no,
Next
this is sharp. If you want the following episode, you're gonna get us to 400 subscribers, and then we're gonna release episode 2.
Imali phambili bafazi.
Yabo uyangichukumisa ke ngoku. Yabona kanje uyangichukumisa.
Mela. Oh, you know, wait,
comment and subscribe.
Like and comment and subscribe.
Imali yepost.
You don't know what are
Why
last
is that
words
so?
to the Ingredients family? Last words of each to Ingredients
family. Those are our followers. We call them ingredients.
Amaqanda nemabisi.
Yeah.
Yo, I don't know. What are my last words? Oh.
That's why.
You're cooking.
Okay, it makes sense. Okay, guys. Yo, what are my last words? I'm not a motivational person, guys. Do you be safe? Do you guys be safe? Practice safe sex. Explore if you want to.
Character
And
development.
please focus on building yourself. Please.
Yeah.
That's very important. Have your own shit going on. Don't rely on anyone.
Don't build yourself up with dicks. Yeah.
I mean, we have different build-ups. So.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please
Subscribe, Jandini.
just subscribe soon. Wow.
I will cut your party.